In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export JSON data from Trello. Exporting your Trello board as JSON is really useful if you want to back up your data, analyze it in other tools, or integrate it into custom scripts and workflows. JSON is just a structured text format that stores all the details about your board in a way that other software can easily understand. First, you'll want to open the Trello board you want to export. Make sure you're logged into your Trello account and that you have permission to view the board. If you're part of a team or workspace, double check that you're on the correct board, especially if you have several that look similar. It can help to quickly scan the board title at the top to confirm you're in the right place before you export. Once your board is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You're looking for the 3 dots menu, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. This icon is usually aligned with the board title and any workspace controls. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open a panel with additional settings and actions related to your board. In this menu, look for the option labeled Print, Export, and Share. This is where Trello groups actions that let you send your board content elsewhere or save it in different formats. Click on Print, Export, and Share to open another set of options. If you don't see it right away, scroll within that panel, because on smaller screens, some options may be slightly hidden lower down. After you've opened the Print, Export, and Share section, you'll see an option that says Export as JSON. This is the one we need. Click on Export as JSON. Depending on your browser settings, one of 2 things will usually happen. Either a file download will start automatically, saving a JSON file to your default downloads folder, or a new browser tab will open showing the raw JSON text. If a new tab opens with the JSON content, you can use your browser's Save option to download it as a file. Just make sure to choose a clear file name, maybe including the board name and date, so you can easily identify it later. Once you've saved the file, you now have a structured export of your Trello board that you can use for backups, reporting, or custom integrations.